Hi, I'm Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to properly use a seam ripper. If you've been using your seam ripper like this, you may have been using it wrong. Let's take a look. So here are some fabric squares that I have sewn together, just some scrap fabric that also has some fusible fleece on it. I've sewn my stitch and now I want to show you how to use the seam ripper. As you can see, I have the little red ball at the top. That is not the correct way to do it. What you want is to have the ball at the bottom. So insert your seam ripper just like this with the little red plastic ball on the right side of your fabric and the pointy part on the wrong side of your fabric. Um, yeah, you want to be on the wrong side of your fabric. Kind of press your seam open where you want to rip it and insert your seam ripper. Sometimes it is necessary to maybe rip one stitch so you can fit the ball in there, but then you flip your seam ripper over, make sure the little plastic ball is on the bottom and that the pointed metal piece is on the top. And then typically it works better if you actually have the fabric laying down on a flat surface, and then you can just run your seam ripper through the fabric. So here I am, I'm going to pick a seam, just a stitch. I'm going to pick a stitch so I have somewhere to start with my seam ripper. So I've got that. I'll turn it over to the right side. Put the red ball and then just slide the zipper along the seam, just like that. So no matter if you're working on the right side or the wrong side of your fabric up, you want that plastic ball on the bottom. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and sign up for my newsletter there too, where you'll receive notifications of new videos that are available, tutorials, free patterns, all things to help you on your sewing journey. Thank you.